Loya Sobala issues apology for homophobic tweet. Local singer Loya Sobala issued an apology to the LGBTQI+ community following backlash from his homophobic birthday tweet to his brother Philo Bala. This comes after the singer got roasted by tweets on Monday, with many users pointing out the homophobic undertones of his post. On Tuesday night, Loya So posted an apology and said, "On Sunday, I tweeted a post that offended the LGBTI community. I sincerely apologize as it was not my intention to hurt anyone, but to express my love for my brother. I am against all forms of discrimination and I support all who strive for equal rights and social justice." However, tweets and members of the LGBTQI+ community didn't find his apology sincere or authentic and voiced their thoughts regarding it.